Evaluate the following divisions by long division method. Take solution. For question I, we have to divide 6,942 by 12. The number 6,942 is known as the dividend, while the number 12 is known as the divisor, and the result we are to obtain is known as the quotient. For us to perform this division, we are going to start by sending out the divisor. 12 goes out. This is a long division sign. Then we send in the dividend, 6,942. For us to perform this division, we take the first digit of this number, which is 6. 6 is less than 12. What we are going to do is we are going to attach a second digit to the first digit 6 to obtain the number 69. The number 69 is greater than 12. We are going to divide 69 by 12. What we are interested in is the whole number part of the division. 69 divided by 12, it gives us a whole number part of 5. 5 times 12, it gives us 60. We subtract 69 minus 60 gives us 9. 9 is less than the divisor 12. What we are going to do is we are going to bring down this digit 4. We attach it to this digit 9 to obtain the number 94, which is greater than 12. 94 divided by 12, we are interested only in the whole number part. It gives us 7. 7 times 12 gives us 84. We subtract 94 minus 84 gives us 10. 10 is less than the divisor 12. What we are going to do is we are going to bring down this digit 2. We attach it to 10 to obtain the number 102, which is greater than the divisor 12. 102 divided by 12, it gives us a whole number part of 8. 8 times 12 gives us 96. Write down 96, then we subtract 102 minus 96 gives us 6. 6 is less than the divisor 12. There is no other digit for us to bring down. What we are going to do is we are going to fix a decimal point here. Then we attach a 0 to this digit 6, which gives us the number 60. You can watch our videos on decimals. You will learn so much on this. 60 divided by 12 gives us 5. We are going to write the 5 after the decimal point. 5 times 12 gives us 60. We subtract 60 minus 60, this will give us zeros. Therefore, when we reach zeros, that means the division has ended. Therefore, 6,942 divided by 12 is simply equal to, this is a quotient, 578.5. We underline the answer. We move now to question 2i. For question 2i, we have to perform this division. We have 596,045 divided by 5. We are going to send out the divisor, which is 5. Then we send in 596,000 and 45. Taking the first digit of this number, it is 5. It has the highest place value. 5 is equal to 5. If you divide 5 by 5, it gives us 1. Write 1 up here. 1 times 5 gives us 5. If we subtract, this will give us 0. We bring down this other digit, 9. 9 is greater than 5. 9 divided by 5 gives us a whole number part of 1. 1 times 5 gives us 5. We subtract. 9 minus 5 gives us 4. 4 is less than 5. What we are going to do is we are going to bring down this digit, 6. We attach it to 4 to obtain the number 46, which is greater than 5. 46 divided by 5 gives us a whole number part of 9. 9 times 5 gives us 45. Then we subtract. 46 minus 45 gives us 1, which is less than 5. What we are going to do is we are going to bring down the next digit. You can see the next digit here is 0. This gives us 10. 10 divided by 5 gives us 2. Write 2 here. 2 times 5 gives us 10. If we subtract, this will give us 0. Here, since the digit 0 was brought down, what we are going to do is we are going to fix a 0 here immediately after this 2. Then we bring down this digit 4. 4 is less than 5. We are going to bring down the next digit, which is 5. We attach it to 4, and this gives us the number 45. 45 is greater than 5. If we divide 45 by 5, it gives us 9. 9 times 5 gives us 45. Then we subtract. 45 minus 45, this will give us 0. We conclude, therefore, 596,045 divided by 5 is simply equal to, we copy this number, it gives us 119,209. We underline the answer. Move now to next question, which is question 3i. For question 3i, we have to divide the number 660,040 by 4. We are going to start by sending out the divisor, which is 4. Then we send in the dividend, which is 660,040. The first digit of this number from the highest place value is 6, which is greater than 4. 6 divided by 4 gives us 1. We write the 1 here. 1 times 4 gives us 4. We subtract. 6 minus 4 gives us 2. 2 is less than 4. We are going to bring down this other digit 6. We attach it to 2 to obtain the number 26. 26 divided by 4, it gives us a whole number part of 6. We write the 6 here. Take 6 times 4, it gives us 24. Then we subtract. 26 minus 24 gives us 2. 2 is less than 4. What we are going to do is we are going to bring down this 0. We attach it to this 2. It gives us the number 20. 20 divided by 4 gives us 5. Write the 5 here. 5 times 4 gives us 20. We subtract. 20 minus 20 gives us 0. The next digit is 0, which we have to bring down. What we are going to do is we are going to fix this 0 here. We move to the next digit, which is 4, which is different from 0. Bring this down. 4 divided by 4 gives us 1. We write 1 here. 1 times 4 gives us 4. If we subtract, this will give us 0. The next digit is 0. What we are going to do is we are simply going to fix the 0 here. We conclude, therefore, if we divide the number 660,040 by 4, you obtain 165,010. Underline the answer. We are done with the solution of the following questions. If in case you have any doubts, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.